Now there are times when you just do not know what to post next on LinkedIn. You open 10 tabs, search for ideas, and end up writing and posting nothing. That's the exact problem we are trying to solve here at Buzzly. Meet the research agent. It is essentially an AI agent that does the research, writes the content, and gives you the content on the day and time of the week you have chosen. Here is how it works. Step number 1. You give the research agent the topics you want to create content on. For example, the topics can be personal branding or AI in marketing. Then in step 2, the research agent will scan the internet and find the most relevant research-backed content ideas for the topics you provided. Then comes step number 3, where the agent picks up one content idea at a time and dives deep into articles, blogs, and expert commentary to gather insights. In step number 4, after gathering all those insights, the research agent then writes the LinkedIn post in either the text or the carousel format with perfect structure, tone, and flow. And finally, in step number 5, it sends you the post on the chosen day and time of the week for you to review and post on LinkedIn. And here's the best part. The next time the research agent creates content and picks up a content idea, it remembers what it had created previously so that it does not repeat that particular content idea again. This means that every post is fresh and unique, and it helps you stay consistent. So if you want to build your personal brand on LinkedIn without burning out, it's time you try the research agent on Buzzly.